you guys, and welcome to my craft room. I am Marty Walden from Marty's Musings, and I write a DIY, craft, recipe, home decor, repurposing blog, a little bit of everything. And today I wanted to show you my craft room. It's also my office, but it's just one of my favorite rooms in my home. And I'm going to give you all the details and share all the little thrifty things that we did. This is the wall that you walk into the room, and it's simply got a storage unit with baskets that I love. Most of it came from Big Lots. These baskets up here were $1 a piece at a yard sale, and it's got great storage. I've got magazines down here that I still want to save, and some photo albums down there. And all the storage in this room is functional. It's not just pretty. This is a DIY headboard that my husband made for me. I love the coral, aqua, and teal. The bed linens came from Big Lots, and then most of the pillows and things were thrifted. The bed actually was a frame for like a rollaway bed that we found on the side of the road. So actually underneath all this, I do have extra storage as well. On this wall, I have taken 12 by 12 canvases and scrapbook paper and decoupaged it on. This one up here also has a black and white photo on copy paper that I decoupaged to make it a little bit more personal. The curtains are actually 3 pairs, one of which I cut in half because I needed it to stretch the entire length of the window. I love to have photos as decor, and this is something I bought, I think at Michael's for about 75% off. Love that I can add photos to the room decor. And this is an amazing wall. My husband built these shelves. The boxes at the top, I painted the color blue to match the room. And then I used simple tubs from Walmart, and then these storage boxes that stores my 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. Obviously, I have a little bit of an obsession with paper. These drawer units down here were looking pretty bad over the last 10 years, so I painted them, chalk painted them as well, and we added handles that were half off from Hobby Lobby. Love the update and love the pop of color. There's more plastic storage underneath the countertop. And this is my ribbon storage wall. These are just wooden dowels that we have hung ribbon on, and it just makes a pretty and functional storage. You may be able to notice in these little jars of different variety of sizes, I have ribbons, I have embellishments, I have buttons, I have a little bit of everything. And now to my happy place. This is where I work. My husband painted the accent wall a teal color. Just needed that pop of color to keep me awake and creative when I work. And he used plywood and simply cut out the openings for the shelves so that they're all one piece. He's a smart man, my guy. And the storage goes all the way to the top. And I love the little industrial accent there. I like to have inspirational sayings, so I created these 2 bulletin boards. The fabric came off that Facebook Marketplace, and I used some scrapbook paper, and I created some sayings that will inspire me as I'm working. And those are a few black and white pictures I had printed on cardstock to remind me of my why. And here's the other side. Calendar, functional. I use this space every single day. And because I use a laptop and I need a bigger screen and a bigger monitor for editing photo pictures, I added this table that was $3 at a yard sale that I chalk painted. And I just hook it up so that I can use it for editing pictures. And this is also a piece of plywood that my husband painted white. And one of my also favorite parts is this quote I put on the walls. Live your life to be a story worth telling. Ugh, don't look at that ugly door. That door needs to be replaced. Don't look at that. I'd love to know if you have any questions. This is a great room. Ask me your questions and I will give you my answers.